This is a chicken, a mythical being from another dimension. Evolved from the T-Rex, they are known for their strange shape, beak, comb, gobble, and interesting feet, along with their feathers. This is a documentary about them, made by yours truly. Enjoy. So you can see here, there is a chicken known as Phoenix, also known as my favorite chicken of the bunch. We've been friends since childhood. We finally got a hold of her face. Before, she was showing us her booty, and now she is again. She seems to be moving away from the camera. I must now record another one, or attempt to re-find her. We have an animal to interview to know their opinion on chickens. We will see how they react to the camera now. They seem intimidated. They seem to not want to be recorded, so they move away. It's very unfortunate, but we cannot get an interview yet, and instead, we get flashed by their booty. And now we see another chicken. It's a rooster. You can tell by its large tail and big comb, along with different features of its feathers. There's another one next to it. It's a very kind one that produces big eggs, like really, really big eggs. It's very, very interesting seeing the two together, which I've never seen before. And another one which wishes to be friends comes near, and then we find our interviewed one that flashed their booty at us. Now I will go and attempt to get an interview to see what they care. Very true. I like the way you think. Very intriguing. And there's another one going near. What do you think of them? Get away from the camera. Please move away from the camera. Please. I will be going away now. And now we see the chicken again. But this time, it's only the one that produces massive eggs. I call her Miss Big Booty. More goats come, and they try to attack. Through the fence, they try to nibble, but it's ineffective. They think about giving up, but then go right back to work, as I walk away. They decide to give up, and I leave. Now, we see that chickens live in flocks, like wolves live in packs. The head is the sister of Phoenix, possibly the older sister. She decides to move forward and off where the camera sees. Now she's visible again, and I turn the focus. Turn the focus! Then you see this one, which is Mr. Poofyhead. Very handsome, as you can see, and shows us their butt. There's also a black chicken. Mr. Poofyhead has a very poofy comb. And now we have a word from our sponsors. Egg.com, a multi-purpose platform for creating and learning. That's literally all I have to say, so go get it for some reason. I don't know. Back to the video. This is what you call a coop. A place where chickens lay eggs. Right here is made up of multiple drawers and dirt, along with some chicken poop and hay. A tarp roof with wooden supports. You can see an egg inside there. And the wood itself. That one is probably made by Miss Big Booty. No more eggs to be spotted right now. So, out of the coop we go. Then, we see Phoenix again. And it seems she's having a good time, not showing us her booty this time. Now she's showing it again. And she seems to like it. Then we see a goat named Jupiter. I try to get her to interview with us, but she declines. I tried to film a bee, but can't get it on camera. More goats come and try to get interviews, but I've already had enough. So I run away. I spot a chicken. It seems like Sir Poofy Head, but it's a little different. Perhaps I made a mistake on identifying them. This one has companions that you will see soon. Right there, it's Phoenix again. And then another one that comes along, which is probably Caramel. He likes the fence. But this one is the true Poofy Head! Sir Poofy Head decides to go with his friend, a hen named Corn. I named her that because she looks like she is covered in corn. They go behind the car, and then they stand. When you see in the background, there's another chicken. It's Phoenix's sister. You can see as she goes behind the tree that is not yet in view. Now it's in view, and you can see it. She's behind it currently, and here you see that I try to wait for her to come out. I occasionally take a peek. As you can see, she peeks out, and we see that it is indeed the sister of Phoenix. And there's also Sir Poofy Head with Corn. They're going to meet up with their group here, it appears. Another one arrives. It's Crow's daughter. And then there's Corn's sister. Crow is the oldest chicken we've had. He was 8 years old. Phoenix's sister goes over there to see if she can make a small little nest. Clearly she doesn't know that there's a camera filming her, otherwise she would not be getting so comfy. I watch to see if I can get image of eggs being pooped on camera. And still don't know why to this day that I said pooped. Corn's sister appears behind her. Goes back under the fence to the area with Crow and the others. A chicken named Flame comes over along with another one of the sisters of Phoenix. Or it's the sister of Big Booty. I can't tell which. Phoenix's sister still tries to make an egg. But not quite yet will it happen. As you can see, she's getting very comfy. In the dirt is very comfy. Scratching beneath her to make the perfect shape for her is the best approach. She smooths the area with rubbing against her head. An interesting approach. if you ask me. Then you see them all together, besides Phoenix, who is still working on the nest. In a minute, you will see how they react when you go towards them. At this moment, they seem to be working on checking out my bicycle. They seem intrigued, but also spot that I'm watching them. Now let's see how they react. They get very offended, either that, or they don't. I believe that it is fear, because they're a natural prey item. They do not like human interaction that much, unless they are raised by humans. But these were not, they were raised by other chickens. They rustle the leaves, and it appears Flame has arrived with them. I don't know why, but I pointed the camera at the plant. You can see the chicken. And that is, so far, the end of this documentary. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye.